Listen up, this is important. Social media isn't just for kids anymore, it's huge business. It's where the world connects, shares, and discovers. Every company, big or small, needs a strong online presence. Without it, they're invisible in today's digital age. That's where you come in. Your skills are essential. As a social media manager, you're the voice of the brand, the storyteller, the community builder. You shape perceptions and drive engagement. It's an exciting time to be in the game. The opportunities are endless. Think about it. People are glued to their phones, they're scrolling through Instagram, checking out TikTok, and catching up on Twitter. Social media is where conversations happen. This is where businesses need to be, and they need your help to navigate this ever-changing landscape. Your expertise is their compass. The demand for skilled social media managers is exploding. It's a hot market. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for someone who can deliver results, more followers, higher engagement, and ultimately, more sales. Your impact is measurable. This isn't just a job, it's a career path with massive potential. The sky's the limit. Are you ready to step up and become a social media rock star? Let's go. The future is yours to shape. So, you want to be a social media manager? Great. It's an exciting and dynamic career choice. But what does that actually mean? Here's the deal. It's more than just posting on social media. You're the boss of a brand's online presence. You create engaging content that resonates with the audience, schedule posts to ensure consistent engagement, run targeted ads, and analyze data to measure success. You talk to customers, build relationships with influencers, and stay ahead of the trends to keep the brand relevant. It's a fast-paced job that requires creativity, strategic thinking, and adaptability, along with a deep understanding of how social media works and evolves. You need to know what makes people tick, what drives their engagement, what they want to see, and how to grab their attention in a crowded online world. It's about creating content that stands out and sparks conversations. Think of yourself as the conductor of an orchestra. You're bringing together different elements, visuals, copywriting, strategy, and data, to create a harmonious and impactful social media presence. Each element must work in sync to achieve the desired outcome. It's not just about posting pretty pictures, it's about telling stories, building communities, and driving real business results. Your role is crucial in shaping how the brand is perceived online and ensuring its growth. So, if you're ready to take on the challenge, the world of social media management awaits you. Want to be a social media superstar? You need the right skills. Don't worry, it's not rocket science. First, master the platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, you name it. Understand their algorithms, best practices, and target audiences. Second, become a content creation machine. Write killer captions, shoot eye-catching photos and videos, and design stunning graphics. Third, learn the art of social media marketing. Run targeted ad campaigns, track your results, and analyze the data. Finally, be a people person. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and build relationships with influencers. There are tons of free resources and online courses available to help you level up your skills. Invest in yourself and your future. Section 4. Brand yourself. Show off your expertise. Listen, in the social media world, you are your brand. You need to build a strong online presence that showcases your expertise and attracts potential clients. Start by creating a professional website or portfolio that highlights your skills, experience, and case studies. Share valuable content related to social media marketing, industry trends, and your unique insights. Networking is key. Connect with other social media professionals, attend industry events, virtual or in person, and engage in relevant online communities. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Share your knowledge, offer free advice, and participate in discussions. The more visible you are, the more opportunities will come your way. Remember, building a personal brand takes time and effort, but it's essential for establishing yourself as a thought leader and attracting high-paying clients. Section 5. Winning strategies, case studies of killer campaigns. Let's get real. What makes a social media campaign truly successful? Take the example of insert a brand with a successful social media campaign. They launched a Describe the campaign that went viral, generating millions of impressions and a significant increase in sales. What was their secret sauce? They tapped into highlight the key elements of the campaign: emotional storytelling, user-generated content, influencer marketing, etc. Another great example is insert another brand with a successful social media campaign. They describe the campaign to highlight the results of the campaign. The takeaway? Don't be afraid to experiment, think outside the box, and create content that resonates with your target audience. Section 6. Challenges? No problem. Solutions for common hurdles. Look, being a social media manager isn't always sunshine and rainbows. You'll face challenges, but don't sweat it. Every problem has a solution. Algorithm changes. Got you down? Stay updated. Platforms evolve, so keep learning. Test new strategies and adapt. Dealing with negative comments? Don't panic. Respond professionally and address concerns. Turn negativity into an opportunity to showcase your brand's values. Struggling to measure ROI? Use analytics. Track your metrics and analyze what's working. Focus on the data and adjust your strategy accordingly. Feeling overwhelmed? Prioritize, create a schedule, use social media management tools, and don't be afraid to outsource tasks if needed. Remember, every challenge is a chance to learn and grow. Stay positive, be resourceful, and you'll conquer anything. Section 7. The future is you, big money, big impact. Here's the truth. Social media is the future of marketing, and the demand for skilled professionals is only going to skyrocket. With every passing day, more businesses are realizing the immense potential of social media platforms. That means you have a massive opportunity to make serious bank and build an incredible career. The possibilities are endless, and the rewards can be substantial. The earning potential in this field is unlimited. Whether you're just starting out or already have some experience, there's always room to grow and increase your income. You can start as a freelancer, taking on small projects and building your portfolio, work your way up to managing bigger clients, and eventually handle major accounts that can significantly boost your career, or even land a dream job at a top agency. Imagine working with a team of experts, creating impactful campaigns for renowned brands. But it's not just about the money. The satisfaction of seeing your strategies come to life and make a difference is unparalleled. As a social media manager, you have the power to make a real impact. Your work can influence public opinion, drive engagement, and create lasting connections. You can help businesses grow, connect with their customers, and achieve their goals, and share their stories with the world. Your creativity and strategic thinking can turn a simple idea into a viral sensation. So what are you waiting for? The world of social media marketing is dynamic and full of opportunities. Embrace the challenge, hone your skills, and stay updated with the latest trends and tools. And get ready to crush it in the exciting world of social media marketing. Your journey to success starts now. The future is yours for the taking. Seize it with both hands and make your mark.